Let's do a couple of festive hairstyles. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I found 2 to 3 hairstyles on Pinterest that I want to try. We are going to say that they are festive hairstyles or dressed up hairstyles. It doesn't have to be the holidays for you to try them, but since it is the holidays and this is a Vlogmas, I wanted to try them. So as you can see, my hair is blown out. It is in a stretch state. I do want to point out that I use the Rev Air on the cool setting, so there is still some texture in my hair. So I'm going to be using the purple rollers. Every time I go to the beauty supply store, I try to pick these up. This is a pack of 10. This is the long ones. And then I also have the short ones, okay? And then you guys know that I did I was gonna say Bantu knot, but you guys know that I did a flexi rod set with the Bond Repair Amla oil. You guys suggested that I try Mousse, so this is what I'm going to be trying. So this is the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse. It is a 4-in-1 styler, and it says it is a nettle root infused. And this is what it looks like. I am excited to try. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, good morning. It is the next day. It is 10:56 and I'm going to start taking my hair out, and I'm really hoping that it is dry. It should be. And also, if I'm going to continue to do this, I need to get more satin hair ties. But let's see. It feels dry. Yeah, that's dry. I can tell because of the bounce. Okay, let's continue. So just from using the mousse and allowing it to dry is definitely giving more bounce, and it's definitely giving a more definition than just using oil. I will definitely say that. Okay, so the idea was to put these in the back of my hair, just kind of like going up. They are not sticking, and it's taken at least like 30 minutes just to show y'all. So I'm over it. So what I'm going to do, I have two options for you. The first one is just festive earrings, and you can leave your hair like this. And this is what they look like. These are from J. Crew. So I'm just going to put these on, and then you can wear whatever you want with this. And that'll be your festive look. Or if you are not into statement earrings, I have another option. These are from Mejuri, and we're going to keep the earrings simple. And then we're just going to add pearls to the hair. So just keeping it simple and focus on the hair. I'm just going to take these and just stick them in my bouffant. So right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Let's do one right there, one right there, one right here. And then I cannot see the back, so I'm just gonna add a couple to the back. And if I had someone helping me, of course I could make it more even. But if you're looking for something festive like that as well, you have the simple earrings and then you just have the pearls, okay? And then of course in the back, there can be some that go right here. Okay, but that's the first hairstyle.